dies and to wear face coverings while indoors.
Hey guys, today we are here at Islands of Adventure. We're gonna walk in, see what they've got going on, do a little park updates for you, and just have some fun. So come on and join us. All right, we are in the park after scanning in. Crowd levels are to be expected today, but that's okay. Walking through the port of entry, it's always crowded. The adventure begins. There we go. Have the Hulk over here. Watch him go by. Gosh, it's so awesome. Intellectual properties of Disney, officially Disney now, are here. So they have a deal with Universal. Universal has a deal with Disney, I should say, that they can use the characters for their rides. But let's face it, that's still the best Spider-Man ride out there. I don't know if I've shown this before, but they do have all kinds of carnival games that you can play over here. When you're a Woody Woodpecker. Rip Softball is open. Looks like it might rain a little bit later today. Maybe. Let's see. Here they come. Hope we don't get wet. Almost. Big award ceremony today. Oh yeah, that mist. Angie, tell them how hot it is today.
Hotter than poop on a stick.
Hotter than what?
Poop on a stick.
Than poop on a stick. It's like 95 today. And
Satan's armpit.
Hotter than Satan's armpit. Like to say something else, but I'm not going to repeat it here. It's not really vulgar. It's not a curse word, but shout out to Mitch from Roadside Trippers, because he told me, dude, you've never experienced heat like August in Orlando. So Mitch, you're completely right. Now we're getting into my favorite section of the park. Seems like I show this every time we come to Islands, but I love it. It's nice and shady back here. And yes, in fact, they do have King Kong back here. And where you can get the world's most incredible banana ices and pretzels. There's Skull Island in the background. Looky there. It's crazy. Okay, so Kong doesn't have an official store, but they do have this little base camp provisions over here. And some of the items that they have for sale over here. And this bag, this uni bag. That's what we call Universal Studios. $49.95 for that. Like an old retro Universal Studios shirt logo. They do have like these hourglasses here. It's pretty cool. And Kong Skull Island cups. Oh, mug, that's pretty cool. I like that. And they do have an official Kong Skull Island t-shirt. Might have to get that. Skull Island Reign of Kong mug. $14.95. You may want these fans.
You have one like that.
This character here. And that hat. The hat's pretty cool. Thunder Falls Terrace, another restaurant right over here as you're walking into Jurassic Park section of the park. Angie and I are going to try this really soon. So be on the lookout for that. Make sure you subscribe so you'll see that video. But they have it established like almost like the visitor center from Jurassic World, Jurassic Park. It's really cool. Alright, so we did decide to go ahead and do Kong Skull Island. It's a 60-minute wait right now, so probably gonna be in line for a while because as you can see, I'm at the very back of the queue, towards the back of the queue. So it is what it is. That's why it's good to always have Express Pass when you can. Okay, so we are in the queue still, waiting. It's really dark in here. I don't know if you can see me or not. There's Angie. You can see her, barely see her. But this is by far the longest we have waited to ever get on this ride. And is it worth the 60-minute wait? In my opinion, I think so. Some of the queue area, the stalls are lit up. It's definitely an expansive queue, but it's very much dark in here. And see, the lights just turned on. Take a look at this guy. He is one of the creatures on the ride. We are
Team 1, this is Base. Will, are you en route with the replacements and supplies for Team 2?
Notice they do
You
not
betcha,
have
Millie.
the social distance glass up anymore, and they are seating you with
Just the
other
locals,
families.
folks. Nothing to worry about.
Uh-oh. Here we go.
Don't let them rattle you with all that Kong mumbo jumbo. That's just a legend.
Here we go.
Now might be a good time to put on your goggles. Looks like the
traps. Joe, how's it look back there?
Hold on, I need more light.
Oh, great.
I hate these flying rats.
Vortexes! Take cover!
Base, come in. Holy, come in. Will, come back. Call everyone back. Nobody failed. Hey,
I got a shot!
this cannot be good.
So that ride was amazing. As always, I love it. Some people don't like it, but I enjoy it because it's Kong, because it's Peter Jackson's Kong. We were in line for about 40 minutes, so not the full 60, but it was a lot of fun. Popeye and Olive Oil and Betty Boop are out today. Let's do it. Extended queue open today. Way back here, so when it usually is, but the line is all the way back here. 60-minute wait on Spider-Man. Alright, here we go.
Hello? This is Jonah Jameson. Roger, over. Is this thing on? Listen, Scoop. Crime reports are coming in from all over the city, and I'm starting to get worried. Did you see that? The spider signal! With Spider-Man nearby, trouble can't be far away. And you know what trouble means. Headlines! National coverage! So don't screw this up!
My life and yours. Be careful. Nice shades.
That's Spider-Man! Red leotard! Dr. Octopus, everything's going as planned! What's going on? What was that? Intruder! If you think you're getting out of here, you're in for it.
Alright, so that is our day out at Islands of Adventure. Came out here, had some fun, did some rides, checked out some things that's going on. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button and that notification bell so you know when our next video is coming out. And until next time, the road goes ever on. We'll see you.